In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the QR code generator in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a super quick and useful feature if you want to share a web page instantly with your phone, send it to someone else, or save it for later without copying a long link. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and go to any web page you want to turn into a QR code. This can be a website, article, product page, or anything else you'd like to share. Once the page is open, right-click anywhere on the page. You can right-click on a blank area or anywhere that gives you the browser menu. After you right-click, a menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option that says Create QR Code for this page. Click on that option, and Chrome will automatically generate a QR code for the web page you're currently viewing. In just a moment, you'll see the QR code pop up on your screen. From here, you can scan it with your phone camera or any QR scanner app to open the same web page instantly on another device. This is especially handy if you're working on your computer and want to send the page to your mobile device without typing the address manually. It's also a great way to share links with friends, coworkers, or customers in a fast and simple format. If you want, you can also save or use the QR code however you need from that menu. And that's it. That's how to use the QR code generator in Google Chrome. It really only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.